She doesn't want to get off you. Come on, Mama. Come on. Don't bite. Come on, bird. All you see is your fluffy hair. Bird, stop it.
Is she eating my hair?
No, she's trying to eat me. Jesus.
Yeah, get her off of me.
She's trying to eat the camera.
Get her off of me.
She's not getting there for you.
Mia, get her off of me. Ariana, sit down.
Come here, buddy. Come here, buddy. Oh, there she goes. There she goes.
Mia, get her off of me now.
She doesn't want to get off of you. She likes you.
I don't care. I want her off.
She's trying to bite me, Mom. This bird does not. Hey! Bad bird.
Don't yell at her. You're gonna make her nervous.
Just let her climb on your head or something. You know, just. She's trying to hide in your hair. She's trying to. God.
Okay, now walk away. Jesus Christ, give me my phone. Walk away.
Insurance for the modern world.
Oh.
Mia, look like